In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Chrome not showing adult websites. If you've noticed that certain websites just won't appear in your Google Chrome browser, even when you type the address directly, there's a good chance some kind of filter or restriction is blocking them. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the main places where these limits are usually set, so you can understand what's happening and adjust things safely and responsibly. First, let's talk about the most common source of restrictions: safe search and content filters from search engines. Even if Chrome itself is working fine, search results can be filtered by services like Google Safe Search or other family filters. Open Chrome, go to your search engine settings page and look for any Safe Search, Family, or Restricted mode options. If they're turned on, adult content will be hidden from search results. You can try turning these settings off, then refresh your search and see if the sites now appear. Keep in mind that on some networks, these settings are forced by the internet provider or organization, and you may not be able to override them. Next, check if there are any extensions installed in Chrome that might be blocking adult content. At the top right of Chrome, open the menu, go to the Extensions or Add-ons section, and review everything that's installed. Look for anything related to parental control, filtering, or security. Temporarily disable these extensions one by one, and test if the websites start loading. If turning off a specific extension fixes the issue, you'll know that extension is responsible, and you can either adjust its settings or remove it. Another important place to check is Chrome's own security and site settings. Open the Settings menu, then go to Privacy and Security. Here, review protections like safe browsing or any content filters. Higher security levels can sometimes block entire categories of sites. You can try choosing a less strict option, but always weigh this against your need for protection from dangerous or malicious sites. Also remember that restrictions may be set beyond Chrome. Your operating system, router, or even your mobile carrier or internet service provider can apply parental controls or DNS filters that block adult content before it reaches your browser. If you're on a shared school or work device or network, those policies may be intentional, and you might not have permission to change them. By carefully reviewing these areas, search filters, extensions, Chrome security settings, and external network controls, you'll be able to identify what's blocking adult websites and decide how or if you want to modify those restrictions.